I started my career in community health. So I started at a community health center. I worked there for 2 years, and I just think that there's such a need for dental care out there. And I thought this program was phenomenal because there's so many kids that don't have dental care, and it just made me really excited that we offered that in our community. I mean, there's so many problems that start with dental. I mean, people see the dentist more frequently a lot of times than they do their physicians, so we're kind of the front line of a lot of things that we recognize, and so I feel that is really important in the area. And kids, starting them off early, getting them in good habits, so important, and it just carries on through their life. I think what people don't realize is how bad decay can be in small children. I mean, one of the times that stuck with me the most was there was a little boy that came on the bus, and he was pretty frightened to be there, and when I looked in his mouth, he literally had no teeth because he had to have them all extracted. So he was terrified to be there because he was afraid that I was going to tell him that more things were going to need to come out. And it just, you know, how does he eat? How does he speak? You know, I mean, obviously we do the best we can to try and restore that, but when they're kids, there's not much we can do to get them to function. So it just was overwhelming, and he had to have been maybe 5 at the most. Eating and speaking, you know, those are just fundamentals, and if kids have a lot of cavities, it's painful, and they're living with this level of pain that they don't even realize, and once that pain goes away, they're a totally different kid. I think it's a great program. I mean, there's constantly talk in the United States, whether it's our state or any other state, that there's lack of care, lack of access to care, and we're available. We're making it available for kids to have access to care, and we need the support of the dental community in order to provide that too.